Yo, what's good? It's Kid from the middle. If you saw the last video, this is just some random lettuce that grew when I accidentally dropped some out of the pack back in, I want to say about August or so. So here it is, February, and I'm gonna take a few of these and go ahead and uppot them into a container. There you go. Okay, so the first one I just actually pulled up has a nice little taproot on it, and this should transplant easily. I don't know if the other ones are going to be this way, but thought that was pretty interesting. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I just got a second one out, so I got to show this to y'all. It's literally like pulling up carrots. Push down just a little bit, right? Get underneath all the lettuce. Go down here. There you go. This is the red garnet lettuce. Let's go. Alright, so we got, we left a few over there. I left the ones that were crowded, quote unquote, crowded in the weeds. I left those over there just to prove that nature finds a way, right? All that spacing and stuff, it's out the door, especially when I have a lot of space. Anyway, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Essentially, we got 9 things of lettuce for free. Let's go ahead and get it potted up here in this container. Now, one thing I do want to point out here is look at the minimal damage on this lettuce. It's acclimated, it did well, and this has been through 25 below zero. It fell out of the package back in August. It did its thing and it came through. Alright, seeds will do what they do. If you ain't growing your own food, let me know. I might have a little course or something for you. We can do a consult. Holla at your fro. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Got newly transplanted lettuce. It's starting to rain, so I'm not going to water this in. And let it drew what it drew, you understand me? So, like I always say, I got love for those who got love for me. Much love for the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Oh, there's gaps in the lettuce because we're going to fill that in with some other colored lettuce. Yeah.